Jotform AI promises to revolutionize the way you collect data, but before you make the purchase, there are a few things you should know. We'll dive into 12 key aspects of this tool, comparing it with competitors, and helping you decide if it's right for you. First, Jotform AI integrates seamlessly with Jotform's existing form building platform. This makes it incredibly easy for users who are already familiar with Jotform to add AI functionality to their forms. You can create forms that understand and respond to user input automatically, improving engagement and saving time. But while Jotform is great for this, tools like Typeform and Google Forms lack this level of automation out of the box. Next thing to consider, Jotform AI offers natural language processing, which means it can analyze and understand free-form text responses. This feature is perfect if you're looking for deep insights from customer feedback or survey responses. Competitors like Google Forms don't offer this, so if you need more advanced AI-driven data analysis, Jotform AI is ahead of the game. The third thing you need to know is that Jotform AI allows for automated form completion. This means that if you collect data over time, the AI can predict and autofill answers based on previous submissions. It's a real-time saver compared to traditional form tools, but it might not always be as accurate as you want it to be, especially with more complex data sets. Fourth, when it comes to customization, Jotform AI gives you complete control over the forms you create. The AI is trained to match the tone and style of your brand, ensuring that the interaction feels personal and in line with your voice. This is something other platforms, like SurveyMonkey, struggle with when it comes to automation. Fifth, Jotform AI doesn't require any coding skills to get started. This ease of use makes it accessible to non-tech savvy users. Compare this to other AI tools like FormStack, which might require more technical expertise to fully integrate and optimize AI features. Next, Jotform AI includes robust analytics and reporting tools. You can track the performance of your forms, get insights into user behavior, and see how your AI-powered forms are impacting conversions. While this is standard in some platforms, like Google Forms, the depth of reporting in Jotform AI stands out. The seventh thing is that Jotform AI offers multi-language support. This makes it easier to create forms for global audiences, allowing for a broader range of use cases compared to competitors who might only support one or two languages. Eighth, Jotform AI provides integration with a wide range of third-party apps and services. Whether it's payment processors, CRMs, or email marketing platforms, you can easily connect your forms to other software. However, platforms like Typeform or FormStack might have fewer integrations, which could limit your automation potential. Next, Jotform AI also features form logic and conditional workflows. This means that based on previous answers, you can customize what the user sees next, creating a personalized experience. If you've used platforms like Google Forms, you'll know this feature is more advanced here, enabling a better flow for your users. The 10th thing you should know is that Jotform AI includes a built-in security protocol. All data collected through Jotform's AI forms is encrypted and stored securely, which is a must-have feature if you're dealing with sensitive customer information. While other tools do offer security, Jotform takes extra steps to comply with various global privacy regulations. The 11th thing to mention is that Jotform AI is scalable. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, Jotform can handle large volumes of form submissions. It's a flexible solution, but if your needs are very specialized or highly unique, you might find other solutions more tailored to your niche. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Jotform AI's pricing is competitive compared to its competitors, especially when considering the array of features it provides. For those on a budget, Jotform does offer a free version, but for more advanced capabilities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're looking for something more cost-effective with even more functionality, you might want to consider alternatives like Google Forms, though they lack the AI features. In conclusion, Jotform AI is a solid option if you're looking for easy-to-use AI-driven forms with powerful features like predictive text, advanced analytics, and multi-language support. But if you're after even more robust AI functionalities and integrations, consider checking out our recommended solution